Hi all, welcome to our channel. How to say no in different languages? In English, no. Now we will see no in Telugu language.
లేదు
Ledu. No in Telugu language, ledu. Now we will see no in Hindi language.
నహీనా
Nahina. No in Hindi language, nahina. Now we will see no in Spanish language.
No.
No. No in Spanish language, no. Now we will see no in French language.
No.
No. No in French language, no. Now we will see no in German language.
నైన్
9. No in German language, 9. Now we will see no in Italian language.
No.
No. No in Italian language, no. Now we will see no in Portuguese.
No.
No. No in Portuguese, no. Now we will see no in Chinese language.
కు
Ku. No in Chinese language, ku. Now we will see no in Arabic language.
లా
La. No in Arabic language, la. Now we will see no in Russian language.
niet
Niet. No in Russian language, niet. Now we will see no in Japanese language.
మ్యాంగో
Bango. No in Japanese language, bango. Now we will see no in Korean language.
아니,
Ani. No in Korean language, ani. Now we will see no in Tamil language.
இல்லை
Illai. No in Tamil language, illai. Now we will see no in Urdu language.
నహీ
Nahi. No in Urdu language, nahi. Now we will see no in Gujarati.
నా
Na. No in Gujarati, na. Now we will see no in Filipino.
హిందీ
Hindi. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.